guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. So this wig is 38 inches, guys. It's a very long wig. Was $26.72 US dollar. It's not a full lace like how you would get like a full like 13x4. It's just this way and this way. This lace front is from the store called Nature Official on AliExpress. It does come in a curled pattern and it's pretty full. It looks realistic. The lace on the center of it is really nice. The knots are hidden inside, so it does not look fake at all. I didn't do any plucking or anything like that on the edges of the hair. You can literally get it out of the pack and wear it right away. And I think this hair is also good for people with really light complexion. The lace front was very light and it feels very soft. It's not shiny at all. The texture is more of a deep wave. It looks like when you have your hair, your Brazilian hair, deep wave, and it's just kind of combed through. I did wet it earlier with some water and conditioner. So in this spray bottle I just have water and conditioner, and not a lot of conditioner. Like this side, if you don't like it really big, you can spray it down and use some mousse or hairspray or gel on it. I think I prefer this side. I'm gonna use this Cantu styling gel. So the gel will act as a mousse kind of would and hold it in place. So that's what it looks like with some hair products in it. The curls look more defined. So shedding, it does shed. Guys, how cute is this? So shipping was about a month. So you do have to wait a little while for it. It took a month to get to me. The shipping was free. The price is amazing. This looks like really expensive human hair and it would fool anybody. I'm definitely loving it. I'm so happy with my purchase. The lace looks really natural. When you're ordering this, if you go to the AliExpress store, they have two options. So you'll see this wig, which is the lace front version, and you'll see another version, which is a non-lace front version. So if you buy the non-lace version, it's not going to have the lace front here. It's going to be the cheap, you know, those cheap wigs where they don't have a natural hairline. It's just like a material and then there's no like lace. So be careful when you're buying it because you need to select the right one. This is what the back looks like. I love it. Can't wait to wear this one out. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10 recommend. You should buy this. Out of all of the wigs that I've reviewed, this is my favorite for synthetics anyway. It's beautiful. So soft, so natural looking, and so cheap. So if you enjoyed watching this video, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.